Hello. How you doing today? Good. I'm in the garage again. I just wanted to share something with you. Since the garage has become a place to hang out, work on stuff, and we ate in here a couple times last week. I was down here working today and I thought, I'd like to have a cup of coffee. I go upstairs with my coffee and bring it down. But what would be great to have a nice old-fashioned, what-you-call-it down here. Let's look at it. Hang on.
A percolator!
An old-fashioned percolator.
Oh my goodness!
Also, I watch Leave It to Beaver, and June always has one of these ready to go. You know, always warm. You want some coffee, Ward? Okay. And that's the old-fashioned with the perk on top, you know, stainless steel. We have the fancy ones upstairs. We have the Cuisinart. We have the, what's the one with the, oh, the Keurig, the pods. We have all the fancy things. And I thought, wouldn't this be great for a garage? Look at that. Oh, you know that's great. The unboxing is an Elite Gourmet 12 cup stainless steel percolator. Let me see what it says. Classic precision pouring spout. Yay! Long and tapered, perfect no spill pouring. Removable filter basket. Cool touch knob, that's good. Cool touch handle, well that's good. Imagine if the handle was hot. And it stays warm, it has a keep warm function. Cord free serving. Oh, you can pick it up off the base, that's cool, see? June always has a cord attached to hers walking around, you know? Oh, look at this. And this was a surprise, wasn't it?
I'm surprised.
You don't need no stinking instructions. Who doesn't know how to make a cup of coffee? What do we need? Water? Oh, yeah. Oh, remember? Grandma, Granny, Grandpap, Mommy and Daddy, and now Grandpa in the garage. I'm gonna take this upstairs, wash it out. Oh, here's the base, look. More instructions. Oh, that's neat, see? Plug this in, sits on there, and this cord wraps around the bottom. You know, stay out of your way. So, whatever you want to do, but it's gonna be cool in the garage. I'm gonna go upstairs, wash it out, bring down some filtered water. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee in the garage. You want one?
Okay. Sure do.
All right, be right back. Cleaned it the right way. So I don't have to dry it, do I? It's gonna get wet in there anyway. I think I should read these instructions. What could it say that I don't know? How to use. Remove coffee basket lid, basket stainless steel, pouring, storage, pumping, ring. Use the measurement markings. Place coffee basket and pump tube assembly. I never knew it was called a pump tube. Right? Oh, got a spring on it. Ah, you ever know that? The old ones didn't have that. I'm gonna read this. Alright, that's beautiful. And put this away. This makes up to 12 cups. And inside, you can't see, but it says 6, 8, 10, and 12. Too bad you can't see it out here, but that's okay. The initial use may result in minimal smell and smoke. Whoa! It's harmless though. Plug it in, June. Percolator. First thing I'm pouring water. See if we got 12 cups in here. Nice cold filtered water. It's best to have cold water in your coffee maker. Where are the lines at? Oh, there they are. It's exciting. You want a cup?
Make me a cup, please.
Isn't it neat that you don't need the paper filters like we use in our other ones? Oh, the holes are pretty small though, see? When I was at the store today, I was going to grind some beans. You know, sometimes you can do that. Right?
Yeah.
I don't want to strain my voice. You always say that. Pump tube. Never heard it called that. Fits right in the middle. Springy dingy. Look at that. Did yours ever do that? Oh, huh.
I don't think so.
This is gonna be fun. Cover the hole. I'm gonna go 6. Heaping. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 heaping. This is how I decide when I get my first coffee maker. Look, that's pretty cool. See that? Alright, and that holds it down. Alright, let's turn it on. Oh, nice. See how long it's going to take. 426. Percolating already. Hear it? It's pumping. Hear it? Whoa, I never heard a coffee pot like that, did you? Hear it? Now is the time we dance. Like I'm riding a horse, huh? Drinking a cup of coffee, riding my horse. Alright. Isn't that great? Not hot. Thank you, thank you. Oh, here's the best part. Wait. Ooh. Oh! Must be high tech or something. Maybe I should have read the instructions. You never heard that pump like that. They usually just start boiling and they go up through the tube and they boil up through the top here. What time did I say it was when we started this? I forgot. Well, now it's 4:28. I forget what time it was to start with.
24 maybe?
Maybe. I want to see that. Boom. Oh, oh, a little bit, you see? A couple times it did.
I saw it.
Yep. Would you like to have this in your garage? Or in the kitchen? I'm gonna take it upstairs too. Oh! I was there. 59 Cadillac. Ooh, 59. That's 59 is the best year. Chevy, that's like a 49 back there when you're looking at that one. Nice though. Alright, it's been 6 minutes. The water's still kind of clear up there. And the new mugs are on the way. This is my time to eat mug, but I should have one since it's time to drink. I have a couple new mugs on the way. See? Can't wait till they get here. You can get one too. Click that link down there. You can get this too. Starting to smell it. Smells like garage coffee. Mmm. Grease exhausting coffee. Mmm. Hope my hair's alright. My hair alright?
That looks fine.
The waiting is the hardest part. See, but when you're down here in the garage, you're doing something. By the time you turn around, it's gonna be done. Now we're like waiting for a pot to boil. Don't look at it!
Is it getting warm?
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, see? Come on. I wonder if it's gonna beep or something. Should have read them instructions. Where'd you throw them at? This will give me a clue. 360 swivel base. That means, like, if I pick it up and you pick it up, we can set it down however you like. Right? Connects down there. Ergonomic. Automatic keep warm function. I like that. Safely and easily boil water for a variety of uses. Oh, you could do, you know, tea, oatmeal, hot cereal, ramen, baby formula. I never thought of that, but it might kind of taste like coffee, huh? Don't the metal kind of get that taste in there? Well, stainless, I guess you could wash it real good. Good, yeah. Where are those instructions? Instructions! That's not it. Where are them instructions? I have to rewind to see where I threw them at. Oh, there they are. It keeps it warm for 2 hours. Oh, look, number of cups of coffee, 12. If you want it mild tasting, you put 6 tablespoons. Medium, 8. Strong, 10. All right, so I put 7. So it's going to be okay.
Look how dark it is now.
Oh, good.
Later.
Always read the instructions. That's called a brew progress knob. You can remove the brew progress knob. Why would you want to clean it? All right, well, do not snap the knob back into place. It doesn't say it beeps or anything when it's done. We're gonna find out. Oh, it smells so good. Sounds like the regular kind of perk now. It's not pumping real hard like in the beginning. Had to prime the pump. Oh, look at it now. Gonna take you back. Gotta be soon. It's been 12 minutes. A minute a cup. Yeah, I bet you if you only put half the water in, it would be quicker, right?
Yeah, I'm sure. I read the instructions.
Good.
It says that when the cycle's finished, a blue light will come on.
Woo!
And then it stays warm on a timer for 2 hours.
Well, it gotta be soon. It's really going. It's boiling, isn't it? Smell it? Oh, I've got a new creamer I put in our mini fridge over there, if you can get that out. We got a fridge down here too. Because I like creamer, but she don't. Creamer. Health and health. Meh. Used to use sugar, don't no more. That's okay.
I see it.
I got used to, I got used to it without sugar. No beep, just blue light, right?
Right.
Thank you very much. Elite Gourmet. Do you want the first cup? Do you want in one of these?
Oh, one of the new mugs? Sure.
Never used, right?
Right.
First cup, never used. Oh, she likes it like that. Should have took the temperature down. You're a temperature taker, but.
All I know is it's hot. Thank you.
My turn. See, when you take it off the base, the light goes off. That's not hot at all. That's just where it plugs in. That's really nice. I like that. 2 hours, did you say that keeps it warm?
Yes, and you can also manually shut it off if you don't want to stay
Oh,
on.
like if I just push that now, it'll go off?
Yeah.
I don't have a spoon in my garage. I got everything in my garage. Yeah. Second taste, how was yours? Or you didn't taste it, you're waiting for me?
Hot yet? Cheers.
Hot. Ooh, garage coffee.
It's very good. It's really hot yet, but I just had a sip.
Well, that's the idea. We take our time, you know.
Yeah.
While we're sitting here working or playing or talking or drinking coffee. It's neat. I got a nice Browning microwave I'm going to bring over here too. Remember my old Browning microwave? It's a nice one. It's really good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Get yourself an old-fashioned classic retro black and white percolator from the 60s. Brand new. All right, see ya.